Hello everyone, this is my first video on this YouTube channel. So today we are going to study the non-polar amino acid. So what is the basic structure of an amino acid? The carbon is attached to the amino group and the carboxylic group and hydrogen. And the carbon is also attached to a variable group, and based on this variable group there are 20 different types of amino acid. So now we are going to study non-polar amino acid. So the non-polar amino acid is not soluble in water. I have some trick of non-polar amino acid which is gap wali MAM, glycine, alanine, proline, valine, leucine, isoleucine and methionine. Now we first going to study about the glycine. This is the simplest amino acid because the carbon is only attached with the carboxylic group and the amine group, and in place of the R variable group only one hydrogen is attached. That's why it is the simplest amino acid. Now the alanine. In alanine, in place of the H only CH3 is attached. This is the primary amine because the amine group is only attached with one carbon. This is why it is known as primary amine. Now we are going to study about proline. In proline, the carbon is attached with the carboxylic group, the hydrogen, and just like in place of CH3, it attached with the two carbon, and amine, in place of amine, it attached with another carbon. So it is known as 2-degree amine because the amine group attached to the two carbon. Here the amine group it attached with this one carbon and this second carbon. So it is known, so the proline is known as the 2-degree amine, and because of it, it gives extra stability to the proline. Now we are going to study about the valine. As we know, it's have inverted structure, just like the carbon is attached with the amine, carboxylic group, hydrogen and CH and two more CH3 group. Valine. And just like leucine, if we add CH2 in valine then it become leucine. जैसे यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं जो CH2 जब यहाँ पे हम ऐड करेंगे CH, यहाँ पे CH2 अगर ऐड कर देंगे तो ये ल्यूसीन बन जाएगा. सेम यही स्ट्रक्चर है बट इसमें हम CH2 अगर ऐड कर देंगे वैलिन में तो ल्यूसीन बन जाएगा. एंड ल्यूसीन एंड आइसोल्यूसीन इज बोथ आर आइसोमर. इफ CH अगर यहाँ से CH3 यहाँ पे चला गया जाएगा तो यहाँ पे देखो ये CH2 है, CH3 और एक CH3 यहाँ से उठ के यहाँ पे चला गया तो ये आइसोल्यूसीन बन गया. ओके, नाउ वी स्टडी अबाउट मैथ्योनिन. मैथ्योनिन में कार्बन है, अमाइनो ग्रुप है, कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप है. ये CH2, दिस इज़ वन सल्फर कंटेनिंग अमाइनो एसिड क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक ही सल्फर अटैच्ड है. कार्बन अमाइनो ग्रुप, then carboxylic group, then CH2, CH3, then one sulfur group and CH3 group. अगर हम इन सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स को एक बार प्रैक्टिस करें then it become clear to all of you. इसको हम याद करने के लिए यहाँ पे एक ट्रिक मैंने बताया आपको, जैसे गैप वाली मैम, ग्लाइसिन, एलेनिन, प्रोलिन, वैलिन, ल्यूसिन, आइसोल्यूसिन एंड मैथ्योनिन. Now on the next video we will talk about the polar amino acid. Thank you.